Why should I replace missing insulation on refrigerant lines? You should replace it because insulation helps your heating and cooling system work efficiently, prevents condensation damage, and protects the refrigerant line from temperature-related problems. The larger refrigerant line, usually called the suction line, carries cool, low-pressure refrigerant back toward the outdoor unit. Its insulation keeps heat from entering that cold line, so the system does not have to work harder to cool your home. When insulation is missing, warm outdoor air can heat the line and reduce cooling performance, which may increase your electricity use. The bare line can also collect water from humid air, much like a cold drink makes a glass wet. That dripping water may stain walls, damage wood, encourage mold, or create unsafe puddles near equipment. Insulation also helps protect the line from sunlight, rain, physical damage, and extreme temperatures. Use insulation made for heating and cooling pipes, often called elastomeric foam, and choose the correct inside diameter so it fits tightly without being crushed. Seal the seams with compatible insulation tape or adhesive, but do not cover electrical wires, service valves, or important access points. A lesser-known detail is that damaged insulation can cause frost to form on the line, but frost does not always mean the system simply needs more refrigerant. So check the insulation and have a qualified technician inspect the system before adding refrigerant. One common mistake is insulating the thin liquid line in the same way as the larger suction line, so follow the equipment manufacturer's instructions because some systems require different treatment. Another mistake is leaving small gaps at bends, fittings, or near the outdoor unit, so cut the insulation carefully and seal every opening exposed to humid air. People also sometimes use ordinary pipe foam that breaks down in sunlight, so choose outdoor-rated material and protect it with a suitable covering when needed. Never assume frost automatically proves low refrigerant, because restricted airflow, dirty filters, or poor insulation can create similar signs. Arrange a professional inspection before repairs that involve refrigerant. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.